Matt's rushing! Matt's right, blue van.
What?
Blue van. I got Matt. That's what I got.
What? Jamal's left side.
Miles right behind the truck.
Yep.
Don't know where Bobby is. He's got sight.
Yeah, he got sight on the right side of the van. He's waiting for me to pop out again. He's on the right side of the truck.
No, he's right behind the truck.
Well,
because I can't see him.
He's popping out the right side of the truck, sort of.
One sec. Jamal is oh, Bobby's on the same side.
Okay. Throw some fire there?
Watch it, hang on. Watch it, Sean. Jamal's got a line of sight. Shit. He's watching the van. Hardcore, my side. He's looking like right at my 12. We are literally making eye contact through this wind. Okay, he just moved.
Okay, which side do you want? Is he on the other side?
Kai?
Yeah.
You're not going to push out, run, keep moving. Ready?
No, give me a sec.
Sean! Sean! Where are you? Okay. Hold middle. Don't lose it. Yeah. Oh, fuck, that was knee on me.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready. Which side are we rushing? Right side or left side?
We're just rushing straight at it pretty much. Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
Got him!
Yeah! Okay.
Sean, why didn't you call hit? I hit you in the